Integrated Information Theory, IIT. Integrated Information Theory, IIT, was proposed by neuroscientist Giulio Tononi in 2004. It offers a mathematical framework to understand consciousness. Here are the key concepts. Information integration. IIT posits that consciousness arises from the integration of information within a system. This means that a conscious system must have elements that are causally interconnected, forming a network where the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Biological example: the human brain. The human brain is often cited as an example in discussions of IIT. Here's how it fits into the theory. Neural networks. The brain consists of a vast network of interconnected neurons. These neurons communicate with each other through synapses, forming complex neural circuits. Information integration. According to IIT, consciousness arises when these neural circuits integrate information in a way that the whole system has properties that are not present in its individual parts. For example, the visual cortex processes visual information, the auditory cortex processes sound, and different parts of the brain integrate these sensory inputs to create a unified conscious experience. Blood cells and consciousness. Now, let's consider blood cells. Single blood cell. A blood cell, such as a red blood cell, performs essential functions like transporting oxygen throughout the body. However, it operates as a single cell with specific biochemical processes and does not have the complex network of interconnected elements necessary for high levels of information integration. Lack of integrated information. Because a single blood cell lacks the complexity and interconnectedness required for high integrated information, IIT would argue that it does not possess consciousness. Consciousness, according to IIT, requires a level of integrated information that is typically found in more complex systems, such as neural networks in the brain. The central measure in IIT is called phi, which quantifies the amount of integrated information in a system. A higher phi indicates a higher level of consciousness. Axioms and postulates. IIT is built on several axioms and postulates that define the essential properties of conscious experience. These include the idea that consciousness is specific, each experience is unique, unified, cannot be reduced to non-interdependent components, and definite, has specific borders in space and time. Application to technology. IIT has significant implications for technology, particularly in the field of artificial intelligence and brain-computer interfaces. Artificial consciousness. IIT suggests that if a computational system can achieve a high level of integrated information, it might be considered conscious. This raises questions about the potential for artificial consciousness and the ethical implications of creating conscious machines. Brain-computer interfaces. By applying IIT, researchers can better understand how to design brain-computer interfaces that can interact with conscious experiences. This could lead to advancements in medical technology, such as helping paralyzed individuals communicate through thought. Neural networks. IIT provides a framework for evaluating the consciousness of neural networks. By measuring the integrated information within these networks, researchers can gain insights into how consciousness might emerge in both biological and artificial systems. Challenges and criticisms. Despite its innovative approach, IIT faces several challenges and criticisms. Falsifiability. Critics argue that IIT is unfalsifiable, meaning it cannot be proven wrong through experimentation. This makes it difficult to test and validate the theory empirically. Complexity. Calculating phi for even moderately sized systems is computationally intractable, making it challenging to apply IIT in practical scenarios. Philosophical debates. There are ongoing debates about whether IIT can truly explain consciousness or if it merely describes certain aspects of it. Some argue that consciousness is more than just integrated information and involves subjective experiences that cannot be fully captured by mathematical models. Conclusion. Integrated information theory offers a compelling framework for understanding consciousness through the lens of information integration. While it has promising applications in technology and neuroscience, it also faces significant challenges and philosophical debates. As research continues, IIT may provide valuable insights into the nature of consciousness and its potential realization in both biological and artificial systems.